Hello, today I will show you a very simple crochet pattern that's very easy to make, but it creates a very nice fabric that is a great alternative to simple double crochet stitch. I am making a cardigan using this stitch, but you can use it for any type of projects. The yarn I'm using is quite classic double knitting weight, so it's 125 meters in 50 grams. They recommend hook number 4, but I'm using hook number 5 to create a fabric that is soft but still quite dense. So let's start. We need to chain an odd number of stitches. So let's do, for example, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So now we're going to work into the third chain from the hook. So 1, 2, and we'll put our hook into the third chain. And in the same chain, we do a single crochet stitch and into the same one a double crochet stitch. We're now going to skip one chain, so we skip this one and we'll work into the next one, and we continue doing the same. Single crochet stitch and a double crochet stitch. I'm using American terminology, as you can see. So skip one stitch, single crochet, double, skip one, single, double, skip one, single, double, and single, double, and now we're at the end, so we skip one last stitch, and here, just for the first row, we do a double crochet stitch. So this was our first row, and now the second, the third, and all of the rest of the rows are going to be done in exactly the same way. So we're doing 2 chains, turn, we skip the first stitch, and we're working into the next one, which is the double crochet, and we do single crochet, double crochet in the same stitch. We skip this one, we do single, double, skip one, always working into the double crochet stitch of the previous round, single, double, single, don't do half double, do double, single, double, and here we again at the end So we do a single, a double, and so this is our 2 chains. We work into the space created by them, and we finish with a single crochet stitch. So this is how all the rows are going to be worked from now on. So I'll do one more to show you. So we start with 2 chains, we turn our work, we skip the single crochet stitch, and we work into the double crochet. I work in this big space under the 2 strings. So single, double. We skip this one and work again into the double crochet stitch here. Single, double, skip this one. This is the double crochet, single, double, skip one, single, and double, all into the same space. Well, now this is the end, so we work single, double. This is our single crochet stitch. We skip it. We put the hook in here. These are our 2 chains that we do in the beginning, and we put the hook under those chains, wrap the yarn, and finish off with a single crochet stitch. There you go. Thank you for watching.